आज
माननीय राष्ट्रपति महोदया, आपकी अनुमति हो तो समारोह का शुभारंभ किया जाए।
The objective of the Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar is to recognize the notable and inspiring contribution made by the scientists, technologists, and innovators, individually or in teams. Awards shall be presented in 4 categories, namely Vigyan Ratna, Vigyan Shri, Vigyan Yuva Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar, and Vigyan Team. We begin with the presentation of Vigyan Ratna Award. Vigyan Ratna is awarded to recognize lifetime achievements and contributions made in any field of science and technology. Vigyan Ratna for 2024 goes to Professor Govindarajan Padmanabhan, former Director, Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru. You are a pioneer in molecular biology and biotechnology research in India and have elucidated the heme biosynthetic pathway of Plasmodium causing malaria. Professor Govindarajan Padmanabhan. We will now present Vigyan Shri Awards. Vigyan Shri is awarded to recognize distinguished contribution in any field of science and technology. In agricultural science, Dr. Ananda Ramakrishnan of CSIR National Institute for Interdisciplinary Science and Technology, Thiruvananthapuram. You have contributed in innovative food processing technologies, nutrient delivery systems, etc., towards achieving sustainable food systems in the country. Dr. Ananda Ramakrishnan. In atomic energy, Dr. Avesh Kumar Tyagi of Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Mumbai. You have contributed in advancement of processes and materials for Indian Atomic Energy Program, including indigenous development of radiation detectors, achieving self-reliance in the nuclear sector. Dr. Avesh Kumar Tyagi. In biological sciences, Professor Umesh Varshne of Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru. You have contributed in fundamental work on essential processes of protein synthesis and DNA repair in tubercular bacteria E. coli, holding promise towards the development of TB vaccines. Professor Umesh Varshne. Professor Jayant Udgaonkar of Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, Pune. You have contributed in understanding protein structure and function, including protein folding and misfolding in the field of structural biology. Professor Jayant Udgaonkar. In Earth Science, Professor Syed Wajihi Ahmed Naqvi of CSIR National Botanical Research Institute, Lucknow. You are an outstanding biogeochemical oceanographer with national and international recognition and have contributed in pioneering research work on oxygen minimum zone in the Indian Ocean. Professor Syed Wajihi Ahmed Naqvi. In engineering science, Professor Bhim Singh of Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. You have contributed towards the development of power electronics for renewable energy sources, including e-mobility. Professor Bhim Singh. In mathematics and computer science, Professor Adimurthy Adi of Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. You have contributed in the analysis of partial differential equations classified into semi-linear elliptic PDEs, functional inequalities, and hyperbolic conservation laws. Professor Adimurthy Adi. Professor Rahul Mukherjee of Indian Institute of Management, Calcutta. You have contributed in mathematical statistics, including design of experiments, Bayesian theory, asymptotic analysis, and survey sampling. Professor Rahul Mukherjee. In medicine, Professor Sanjay Bihari of Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology, Thiruvananthapuram. You are a luminary neurosurgeon epitomized by exemplary service, high-quality research, and significant advancements in medical technology and infrastructure. Professor Sanjay Bihari. In physics, Professor Lakshmanan Muthusamy of Bharati Dasan University, Tiruchirappalli. You have contributed in nonlinear dynamics with interdisciplinary applications in biology, chemistry, economics, and sociology. Professor Lakshmanan Muthusamy. Professor Navakumar Mandal of Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics, Kolkata. You have contributed in conception and design of detector for the India-based Neutrino Observatory, the INO, useful for young researchers in neutrino physics. Professor Navakumar Mandal. In space science and technology, Dr. Annapurni Subramaniam of Indian Institute of Astrophysics, Bengaluru. You have contributed to physics of single and binary stars, blue stragglers, star clusters and formation, etc. that supports the AstroSat mission of ISRO. Dr. Annapurni Subramaniam. In technology and innovation, Professor Rohit Srivastav of Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. You have contributed in point-of-care medical devices and nano-engineered biosensors resulting in diabetes management, non-invasive hemoglobin measurement, and lipid analysis systems. Professor Rohit Srivastav. We will now present Vigyan Yuva Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Awards. These awards are presented to recognize and encourage young scientists who made an exceptional contribution in any field of science and technology. In agricultural science, Dr. Krishnamurthy of Indian Institute of Rice Research, Hyderabad. You have contributed in developing 6 salt-tolerant varieties of rice and 4 genetic stocks for salinity and alkalinity tolerance. Dr. Krishnamurthy. Dr. Swarup Kumar Parida of National Institute of Plant Genome Research, New Delhi. You have contributed in developing various concepts on integrated next-generation molecular breeding and deploying it for efficient genetic dissection of complex stress tolerance, yield, and plant architectural traits in order to accelerate crop improvement of rice and chickpea. Dr. Swarup Kumar Parida. In biological science, Professor Radha Krishnan Mahalakshmi of Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, Bhopal. You have contributed towards fundamental insights to mitochondrial membrane protein biophysics, including mitochondrial membrane protein folding, its function and regulation in cancer and neurodegeneration. Professor Radha Krishnan Mahalakshmi. Professor Arvind Pen Matsa of Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru. You have contributed for providing insights to neurotransmitter uptake in pharmacology and developing single-domain antibody technology to study transporters involved in antimicrobial resistance. Professor Arvind Pen Matsa. In chemistry, Professor Vivek Polshettiwar of Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Mumbai. You have contributed in nanocatalysis realms of black gold and defect and exploring plasmonic photocatalysis and defect engineering for material design, catalysis and sustainability. Professor Vivek Polshettiwar. Professor Vishal Rai of Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, Bhopal. You have contributed in precision engineering of proteins and supports Indian biopharma sector to empower antibody conjugates for directed tumor surgery and cancer chemotherapeutics. Professor Vishal Rai. In Earth Science, Dr. Roxy Matthew Cole of Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, Pune. You have contributed to Indian ocean warming and its implication to Indian summer monsoon as well as marine productivity. Dr. Roxy Matthew Cole. In engineering science, Dr. Abhilash of CSIR National Metallurgical Laboratory, Jamshedpur. You have contributed in development of indigenous processes for extraction of critical strategic metals from mines and process wastes, and innovative technologies for bioprocessing of uranium from low-grade tailings, etc. Dr. Abhilash. Dr. Radha Krishna Ganti of Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. You have contributed in indigenously developing 5G base stations that include multi-input, multi-output, antenna, etc. The troposcatter of OFDM modem designed, developed and tested is useful for armed forces. Dr. Radha Krishna Ganti. In Environmental Science, Dr. Purabi Saikia of Central University of Jharkhand, Ranchi. You have contributed for ecological niche modeling, quantitative ecological analysis, and RET plant species conservation. Dr. Purabi Saikia. Dr. Bappi Paul of National Forensic Sciences University, Gandhinagar. You have contributed towards developing a process and catalyst for direct hydrogenation of carbon dioxide to ethanol as a future fuel. Dr. Bappi Paul. In Mathematics and Computer Science, Professor Mahesh Ramesh Kakade of Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru. You have contributed towards making decisive progress on the main conjecture of non-commutative Iwasawa theory and the Gross-Stark conjecture, which are central problems in number theory. Professor Mahesh Ramesh Kakade. In medicine, Professor Jitendra Kumar Sahu of Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, Chandigarh. You have contributed on genetic landscape of children with Dravet syndrome and IESS, resulting in creation of in-house molecular diagnostic facility for Dravet syndrome. Professor Jitendra Kumar Sahu. Dr. Pragya Dhruv Yadav of ICMR, National Institute of Virology, Pune. You have contributed in the development and evaluation of multiple vaccines for COVID-19 in the country and supported in responding to different emerging high-risk viral pathogens. Dr. Pragya Dhruv Yadav. In physics, Professor Urvashi Sinha of Raman Research Institute, Bengaluru. You have contributed in experimental quantum information, communication and precision tests of quantum mechanics. Professor Urvashi Sinha. In space science and technology, Dr. Digendranath Swain of Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, ISRO, Thiruvananthapuram. You have contributed in supporting structural qualification tests of launch vehicle components using DIC and other experimental techniques. Dr. Digendranath Swain. Dr. Prashant Kumar of Space Application Center, ISRO, Ahmedabad. You have contributed in the domain of atmospheric science and weather forecast and development of high-resolution rapid refresh system used by Indian Meteorological Department. Dr. Prashant Kumar. In Technology and Innovation, Professor Prabhu Rajagopal of Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, Chennai. You have contributed in pioneering research on feature-guided ultrasound, waveguide sensing, robotic asset inspections, and ultrasonic metamaterials. Professor Prabhu Rajagopal. We will now present Vigyan Team Award. Vigyan Team is awarded to a team comprising 3 or more scientists, researchers, innovators who have made an exceptional contribution working in a team in any field of science and technology. For the year 2024, Vigyan Team is presented to Team Chandrayaan-3 of ISRO Headquarters, Bengaluru, comprising Mohan Kumar, Kalpana K, M. Shrikant, K. A. Lohar, Rupa M.V., Biju Kumar K.S., Amitabh, Grihadurai Ji, and more. May I please request Dr. P. Veera Mathuvel, Project Director Chandrayaan, to please receive this award on behalf of the team. The Chandrayaan-3 is the most globally visible and acknowledged scientific achievement for the nation and represents achievements in different areas of technology as a teamwork of scientists from ISRO. The efforts of the team resulted in the successful landing of Chandrayaan-3 lander near the south pole of the moon. Dr. P. Veera Mathuvel.
माननीय राष्ट्रपति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति हो तो समारोह को समापन किया जाए।